Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Did you know that you can use your phone to send and receive messages on your PlayStation 4? It makes it much easier than using your controller to type in a message. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the PS4 Messenger app on your Android phone or your iOS device. Let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love doing how-to guides and live streaming games on this channel. So I enjoy having the PlayStation Messenger app on my phone. When I'm somewhere else, I'm away from home, I can go ahead and still communicate with my PlayStation friends. In the past, I used to use a USB keyboard plugged into my PlayStation to type in a message if I needed to. However, there's only 2 USB ports on your PlayStation 4. Now I use the PS4 Messenger app on my Android phone, and whenever I want to make a quick message, I can just type it into my phone and send it. I always have my phone near me, so whenever I get a text message, I can go ahead and type in that message real quick. Now you may have noticed this. If you go into Messenger and type in messages, there's a section over here that says send messages with mobile app. You can go ahead and go to PlayStation Messages and get a link for the direct download right here and have it sent to your email address. You can also get the PlayStation app on here and the PlayStation Community app the same way. So let's go ahead and send by email. And it's sent to my email. Let's go ahead and back out. You can also go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and App Store to download. So let's go ahead and go to the Google Play Store on my phone right now and check out the app. Okay, so I'm on my Android phone. Let's go ahead and go to the Play Store. And then in the search bar up top, let's go ahead and type or say PlayStation Messages. And it will find the application for you. And then let's go ahead and install the application. Mine is already installed. Go ahead and click this green button on the right hand side of the screen. And let's go ahead and press open on my application. You will need to sign in to your PlayStation 4 account by clicking sign into PlayStation Network. And it will require you to have your email address and your password at hand. Okay, so I have successfully logged in. You can see on the bottom there's messages, favorites, and friends. Let's go ahead and click on friends for the time being. You can go ahead and scroll through here. You can see the online status of your friends by clicking over here. You can go and search by status or name. And you can scroll through the list. And also you can go to Players Mat if you click on Players Mat. So if you played with someone in Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered, you can go ahead and add them from here. You can view their profile, or you can send them a message. So let's go ahead and go to view the profile. And if you do this, there is also another app you have to download. It's called the PlayStation. But you can go ahead and send them a message through this app. It seems like PlayStation has everything in 4 or 5 different applications instead of one place. This one is specifically related to PlayStation Messages. So let's send this guy a message. Type in hi. And it will send. As you can see, I started a conversation with this person, whoever that is. You can also go to the 3 lines up top and go to settings. And this will open up your profile. As you can see, you have announcements, notification, privacy settings, stickers, about PS messages, and view your status on PSN Network. If you want to know if all the services are up and running on PlayStation Network, you can go ahead and do that from this application. You can go ahead and go to notification settings, and if their messages are getting annoying, you can go ahead and disable those notifications right from here. And you can change the ringtone on here also. So sending a message on the PS4 Messenger application is very easy. It's a simplistic app. Its purpose is just to send people messages, and that's it. If this video helped you out on getting the PlayStation Message app on your phone, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And check out some of the other videos coming up next on my channel. And check out one of my live streams in the future on YouTube or Twitch at YourSixStudios.